Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of OnlyFans from a business perspective. That's right, we're talking about starting your own OnlyFans agency and how to turn it into a profitable side hustle. Step 1. Niche down. There's a reason for bakeries not selling everything. Focus on a specific niche within OnlyFans. Adult fitness, cosplay queens, gamers with a twist. Research what's hot and where you can build a strong community. Step 2. Find your creators. Hit the social media streets. Target creators who fit your niche and are already building a following. Slide into their DMs or post on creator forums. Highlight how your agency can supercharge their success. Step 3. Become their support system. This is where you shine. Offer management services, scheduling content, running social media, and even handling customer service. You can also be a marketing whiz, driving traffic through targeted ads and influencer partnerships. Step 4. Revenue share is king. Forget taking a cut of their profits. Partner with your creators. Set a revenue share split, typically 50-50ths. This keeps everyone motivated and fosters a successful team spirit. Step 5. Scale up. As you grow, consider hiring virtual assistants or chatters to manage interactions with fans. This frees you up to focus on finding new creators and expanding your reach. There you have it. An OnlyFans agency can be a fantastic way to make money. Remember, research is key, and building strong partnerships with creators is the recipe for success. If you liked this, hit that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips. If there is any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.